Cargo handling and storage are essential components of the maritime industry, playing a crucial role in ensuring the safe and efficient movement of goods across the globe. At its core, cargo handling refers to the process of loading, unloading, and securing cargo on ships, while storage involves the management of these goods in warehouses or cargo holds until they reach their final destination. Understanding these processes is vital for anyone involved in maritime operations, from seafarers to logistics personnel. Proper cargo handling is not just about moving goods, it's about doing so safely and efficiently. When cargo is handled correctly, it minimizes the risk of damage to the goods, reduces the likelihood of accidents, and ensures compliance with international regulations. This is particularly important in the maritime sector, where the stakes are high and the consequences of mishandling can be severe. For instance, improper loading can lead to a ship becoming unstable, which could result in capsizing or other catastrophic incidents. One of the key benefits of mastering cargo handling techniques is the enhancement of overall operational efficiency. When cargo is loaded and stored correctly, it optimizes space utilization, allowing for more goods to be transported in a single journey. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs for shipping companies, ultimately benefiting consumers through lower prices. Moreover, efficient cargo handling practices contribute to faster turnaround times in ports, which is essential in today's fast-paced global economy. For seafarers, learning cargo handling and storage techniques is a fundamental part of their training. These skills are not just practical, they are essential for ensuring the safety of the crew and the vessel. Seafarers must understand how to properly secure cargo to prevent shifting during transit, which can lead to dangerous situations. Additionally, they need to be familiar with various types of cargo and their specific handling requirements, from hazardous materials to perishable goods. This knowledge is crucial for maintaining safety standards and protecting the environment. A comprehensive cargo handling and storage manual serves as an invaluable resource for anyone in the maritime field. This manual typically covers best practices, safety protocols, and regulatory guidelines, providing a structured approach to cargo management. It includes detailed information on equipment usage, such as cranes and forklifts, as well as techniques for securing different types of cargo. By following the guidelines outlined in these manuals, maritime professionals can enhance their skills and ensure compliance with industry standards. In summary, cargo handling and storage are vital aspects of maritime operations that require careful attention and expertise. The benefits of proper cargo handling extend beyond just the immediate safety of goods. They impact the efficiency of the entire shipping process and contribute to the overall success of maritime logistics. For seafarers, mastering these techniques is essential for their safety and the safety of their vessels. By utilizing cargo handling and storage manuals, maritime professionals can equip themselves with the knowledge needed to excel in this critical field. If you're involved in the maritime industry, investing time in learning these skills will pay off in safety, efficiency, and career advancement.